You know how you have that one friend who just keeps reinventing themselves? They start a new hobby, get a new look, and every time you see them, they've evolved into something even more impressive. That's kind of what's happened with Wealthsimple's savings and spending accounts. It's a journey from save to cash and now to a full-fledged checking account. But what's the difference, and why did it change? Let's rewind. It all started with Wealthsimple Save. This was a high-interest savings account. The name said it all, it was for saving your money. You'd park your cash here to earn a good interest rate, much better than what a traditional bank offered. It was simple, it was effective, but it wasn't for daily transactions. You'd move money from your bank to this account, let it grow, and then maybe move it back when you needed it. Then came Wealthsimple Cash. This was the first big evolution. It wasn't just for saving anymore, it was a hybrid. It was a high-interest account that also had spending features. Think of it as the cool, younger sibling. You could send money to friends, get a flashy prepaid card, and use it for daily spending while still earning a competitive interest rate. It was a game changer because it combined the best of both worlds, earning interest and being able to access your money easily. It was the save and spend solution. But Wealthsimple wasn't done. The latest transformation is Wealthsimple Chequing. This is the mature, all-in-one financial hub. It takes everything that made cash great, the high interest, the no-fee spending, and adds all the things you'd expect from a traditional bank account, but better. Things like direct deposit so your paycheck lands there, mobile check deposit, and even the ability to order a checkbook. They've also integrated it more deeply with their other products, so you can easily move money between your checking, investing, and crypto accounts. It's now the central nervous system for your entire financial life with Wealthsimple. So, to break it down simply, Save was a dedicated parking spot for your money. Cash was a multi-use parking spot with spending privileges. And checking? Checking is the garage, the parking spot, and the highway all rolled into one. It's the final evolution of a product designed to make your money work harder for you, all in one place. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.